Hello friends, this is Praveen, and today I am speaking in the favor of the debate that all people should be vegetarian or not. Once Albert Einstein said that nothing would benefit the human unless we are not eating the vegetarian. He was one of the intelligent persons known to the earth. So another topic would be in the favor of this is diseases. Most of the diseases that are caused is caused due to the contacts with the animals. It could include eating the food items or doing something on that. Another fact is that when we eat the non-vegetarian food, it has a very high fats. So it increases the obesity, also causes the risk of getting heart attacks and that all. And the vegetarian food is the rich in fibers, which help in the digestion of the food we get, and it is a low contaminated food of the fats. Some foods contain the high number of the foods. So only a vegetarian food is a food which contains everything in its right amounts. It have the high nutrition foods also, which is fats, carbohydrates, everything. It has the most variety compared to the non-vegetarian foods. Another topic is range of nutrition. So it contains the range of nutrition. The nutrition which cannot be provided with non-vegetarian foods, or the non-vegetarian food is mostly rich in the proteins. But not only the protein is necessary for the human. The carbohydrates, fats, water, minerals and fibers are also important for the balanced diet of the vegetarian diet. And another reason lies in the cooking of the food. The most cooking of the non-vegetarian food is difficult, and it is mostly cooked with the presence of oils and the chemicals. So the most of the non-veg food is also considered to be the junk food, and we know that junk food is not healthy for our body. And as we eat, let me agree that the vegetarian food is non-vegetarian food is okay to eat, but it is expensive. But whereas compared to our vegetarian food, the vegetarian food is cheaper. And most of the balanced diet, the people who are dieting mostly eat the vegetarian diet compared to the vegetarian diet. So, and the another topic in favor of the vegetarian food is, if it would be the nice, then the most of the population would be the non-veg. But most of the population on the earth is vegetarian. That means vegetarian food must having some qualities and which are attracting towards which the food is attracting the people towards that. Another is, if let's take a scenario that if we are increasing the lots of the we are not harming the ecosystem, and the population would now eat lots of the food, that is crop, that means the forest should be cut down. It is not necessary, because the vegetarian food is considered to be the self-sufficient food production. It is only the vegetarian food is only the production which can sustain itself depending upon the population also. Another is, if we stop eating the non-veg food, just like if you are eating herbivores, this would decrease in the population of the carnivores. So hence this would disturb the ecosystem, and this would create a disturbance in the ecosystem. Another is, so if you are eating the non-veg, then the most important crux of this is that it decreases our life expectancy, and eating the veg food increases our life expectancy. So most people eating the vegetarian food live longer than compared to the non-veg food eaters. Another is, we are killing the animals and the plants for our use. It is not necessary. That my fellow contestants said that it is necessary that we should eat both, but it is not necessary to eat the by killing them. If the food is obtained by the dead thing or something like an egg, so this would be okay than comparing to the killing the animals. Another is, the vegetarian food is the antioxidant which provides the different types of the nutrients, and this food is considered to be the ethic, that is economic and the health type food. Means it can fulfill all the conditions of the ethic, means the religion type, economic, that is economic, and the health type. And one among the following cracks is that the energy found in the, because the sun is the ultimate source of the energy on the earth, so plants, but they only get 0.01% of the energy given by the plant, that is the animal, that is the sun. Then that energy is another transferred to the 0.01% to the herbivores, and so on. As the level increase, the nutrition level decreases. So we should eating the most vegetarian food at the higher lower stages is beneficial for us. So these were my points and reviews on the all people should be vegetarian or not. At the last, thank you.